Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, this is going to be a curly hair to straight hair tutorial. I'm going to show the different oils that I use before I blow dry my hair and after I blow dry before I actually start straightening my hair. It's going to be a little process of me showing you how I blow dry my hair, just using a comb or a brush to like brush through as I'm blow drying. My hair was already air dried, just actually almost fully hair dried except for more of my roots. But yeah, so this is the process right now of me blow drying, and then more towards I'll get to the part where I'll start straightening my hair. Yeah, so here's the Heritage oil by Mindy McKnight. I like to focus more on my ends, and my ends are very dead in this video, as you will see towards the end of the video. But this is what an oil I like to use for my ends. It keeps it moisturized and that silky look. Okay, so here I'm off to my second half of my head. I find it easier for me to section it off, at least doing half of my head first and the other half later. It's just easier for me, and I have like so much hair, so this technique has always been my go-to. I actually have not straightened my hair myself since high school, so I struggled a little bit in this video, but once I got my technique back and just started going at it, then the outcome was great. But yeah, this is me starting my other half of my head. Here I am again. Excuse the movement in the background, y'all. My mom had came in my room and just started talking to me. So you'll see her in the background a little bit moving around. You may see me. It may look like I'm talking to myself, but no. That's my mother in the background. But yes, here's the finished look, the aftermath. It actually took me only an hour and a half this time. Usually takes me about 2 hours, but this is the complete look. As you can see, I start flat iron like my flyaways at the top with just the outside of the flat iron, so I'm not putting so much of the excess heat on my hair. But yeah, that's the way. This is my tutorial on me going from curly hair to straight hair. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And thank you for tuning in to another Daily Life with Shy.